Welcome back to my channel, all kinds of astrology and foreign travel friends. So before starting any more, interesting videos or calculation part, I'd like to cover all the principles of like basic principles of astrology. Okay, so before going further, you need to know all these things first. So today I'll be discussing about the aspects of the different planets. Okay, so before starting this video, I'd like to request to all my viewers that please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my videos, please share it, like it, and do not forget to comment. Okay, and if you want to ask me anything about yourself or any question you have, you can ask me on comment section. So let's start with today's video. So aspects of planets. Okay, so guys, first of all, you need to know that every planet having a common aspect, that is on the seventh house or just the opposite house it sits in. Okay, whichever in your horoscope, in whichever rashi a planet is placed, that planet can see at the opposite house like this. Okay, see, suppose any planet, suppose sun is sitting here. Okay, so it can see the seventh house like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so it can see at the seventh house. So any planet, sun or moon or Jupiter or Rahu or Ketu or Saturn, okay, or Mars or Mercury, okay, or any planet, or Venus, any planet, it can directly see the seventh house or the opposite house it sits in. Now, few planets have spatial aspects. So this is very important. Listen to it very carefully. So I'm coming to Saturn's aspect. In whichever Rashi Saturn sits in, it can see the seventh house. I have already told, it's common for all. The spatial aspect is 3 and 10. Yes, wherever Saturn sits, it can see the third house also and the 10th house also, like this. See. So it's 1 2 3, okay, third house, seventh house, and it's 8 9 10, it's 10th house. Okay, now Mars. So if suppose I am taking Mars here, so Mars have two special aspects like Saturn, that is 4th house and 8th house. So suppose Mars is sitting here, it can see on the 4th house like this, 1 2 3 4, this house. See, 7th house is common for all, you know. Along with that, the 8th house, just beside the 7th house, it can see. Okay, so Mars has two special aspects. Now, Jupiter, Rahu, and Ketu. Guys, listen to me very carefully. Jupiter, Rahu, and Ketu have same kind of spatial aspects. These three planets can see the seventh house, which is common for every planet. Apart from that, it can also see, any guesses? It can also see the 5th house and the 9th house. So if suppose Rahu or Jupiter or Ketu sitting here, okay, it can see this and this house, because see, this is 1 2 3 4 5, fifth house, then seventh house is common for all, and the ninth house, 8 9, this house. Okay, so Jupiter, Rahu and Ketu have same kind of spatial aspects. So other planets like Venus, Sun or Moon or Mercury, these planets have only one aspect, that is directly to the seventh house or the opposite house. Okay, so this is all about aspects. Okay, so now you know which planet sits, if it sits in a particular place, where it can give his aspect. Okay, according to that we can calculate and we can predict things. Okay, so I'll discuss all these things in my later videos. I'm going to finish this and let's meet you in the next videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye friends, take care.